Hi guys, it's Mikey here. Welcome back to another video. Just going on a little walk up a steep hill in the countryside in Serbia, in a small little village called Chišovac. Currently making my way up to a nice little spot where you can check out the sunset. But out of breath because it's a bit steep, and the fitness levels aren't 100. But yeah, just a track and loads of trees. As you can hear, just the birds tweeting, which is really nice compared to the constant sound of cars and traffic and always noise. So it's always a beautiful change to get out the city. Just getting to the spot now. There's going to be a little short video, but it's just going to consist of two things: the sunset and also a little explanation about why nature is so important to me. Oh, look how nice that is. All you can hear is like the quiet whisper of the motorway in the distance somewhere. A few dogs barking in the neighbourhood below, but other than that it's just the birds and the wind. But today isn't too windy and it isn't too hot either. The last few days in Serbia it's been like 30 degrees plus, but today's actually not too bad. It's really mild, 23, 24. But yeah, cool, here we are. Beautiful. But anyway, in today's video I wanted to briefly explain why nature means so much to me, and in particular I guess the beautiful outdoors, the green, the trees, the sound of the birds and the bees, fresh air, just getting away from the urban life. Well, for me it's something that's been a habit from young. My parents always used to take me and my brother out to the park like every weekend, and yeah, I'm so grateful for that, because we'd go out and we'd be active and go out running in the London parks, and so enjoyable. I only kind of found out the real importance of it into my adulthood, once you start going to college and uni and start working, and why it's really important to kind of have an outlet or an escape, I guess, from all of that stress and noise of the city and people and cars, etc., because I do just love walking a lot, going on hikes, and just, brisk walking is one of my main fitness outlets. Studies have shown that spending as little as 20 to 30 minutes in a nature setting can reduce stress levels and cortisol levels, including reduced symptoms of depression. And spending 120 minutes a week in the great outdoors is really beneficial for your mental health and well-being. So being outdoors in the lovely nature gives you an excuse to just go for a walk, socialise a bit, go grab a coffee, go for a little walk in the park, and doing that you also get your steps in, and do some exercise, which is also good for your health. nearly forgot to film the outro. Making my way back home. Oh, that's about it. Do the little things that make you feel happy. The free things in life. Go outdoors, go for a walk in the nature, find a park near you, a nature reserve near you, and just spend some time there. It's good for you. Ciao.